Trigonometric class 11th Maharashtra board. In this lesson we know how to find out the value of more than 90 degrees of trigonometric ratios. For example, sine 135 degree, cot 150 degree, sine 120 degree, etc. So how to find it? For the find the value, if know the value of 0 degree, if we know the value of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, then how to find the value of more than 90 degrees? For find the value of 135 degree, 150 degree and 120 degree, first we know the some concept, some basic rules. Here is the coordinate axis. This is the first column. This is the second column. This is the third column. This is the fourth column. Now just to know what is happening in this. In first column we denote this for the A, second column for the S, third column for the T, and fourth column is the C. A for all positive, S for sine and cosec positive, remaining negative, T for tan and cot positive, remaining negative, C for cos and sec positive, remaining negative. For learning, याद करने के लिए जस्ट यू लर्न, जस्ट यू रिमेंबर ASTC, A for after, S for school, T for to, C for cinema. We use the 0 degree to 90 degree, 90 to 180 degree, 180 to 270 degree, and 270 to 360 degree. 270 degree. Now if condition first, if angle value is more than 90 degree, and less than 180 degree. Then every trigonometric ratio will change to its own pair. Now here sine का पेयर cos का पेयर sin tan का पेयर cot का पेयर tan and sec का पेयर cosec का पेयर sec. Before start example, once revise. In first column all trigonometric sign will be positive. In second column sine and cosec will be positive, remaining negative. In third column tan and cot will be positive, remaining negative. And fourth column cos and sec will be positive and remaining will be negative. And if angle value is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, then every trigonometric ratio will change to its own pair. Now pair is sine cos में चेंज होगा, cos sin में चेंज होगा, tan cot में चेंज होगा, cot tan में चेंज होगा, sec cosec में चेंज होगा, cosec sec में चेंज होगा. If any ray measure angle 90 plus theta where theta is less than 90 greater than 0 degree, then formula for above concept. First sine 90 plus theta cos 90 plus theta tan 90 plus theta cot 90 plus theta. Fourth cosec 90 plus theta, sec 90 plus theta. We know the 90 plus theta is coming on the second column. So second column sine and cosec will be positive, remaining will be negative. So we just put the value. Sine will be positive and cosec will be positive, remaining negative. So cos will be negative, cot will be negative, sec will be negative, tan will be negative. Sine and cosec will be positive. Sine will change its own pair, will be cos. Cos theta. And cosec will change its own pair. Cosec will change in the sec theta. Tan will change cot theta. Cos will change sine theta. Cot will change tan theta. Sec will change cosec theta, but it will be negative. Now example. Now some example. Find the value of 135 degree for all trigonometric ratios. Solutions. Sine 135 degree, cos 135 degree, tan 135 degree, cot 135 degree, sec 135 degree, and cosec 135 degree. We can write sine 90 plus 45, cos 90 plus 45, tan 90 plus 45, cot 90 plus 45, sec 90 plus 45, cosec 90 plus 45. We know this is the 90 plus formula, so it will change its own pair. Sine pair is the cos, and if this is the second column, sine and cosec will be positive, remaining will be negative. So remaining will be negative, will be positive. Sine will change cos 45 degree, and cos will change sine, but cos is negative, so cos will change sine 45, tan cot 45, tan 45, sec will change cosec 45, cosec will change sec 45, cos 45 value is 1 upon root 2, sin 45 value is equal to 1 upon root 2 minus 1 upon root 2, cot 45 is equal to minus 1, tan 45 is equal to minus 1, cosec 45 is equal to root 2 minus root 2, and sec 45 value is equal to root 2. You can check these answer in your books on the answer sheet on 2.1. You can check in answer sheet. Also, here is the value of sine. Here is not 135 degree value, but you can find the value of 135. Here is the just only the 120 degree. Here is not the 135, but you can check the value of. So now one small example. here is the 2.1. To find the trigonometric functions of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 150 degree, 160 degree. Now we find the value of 150 degree. Now we find the value of trigonometric functions of 150 degree. Find the value. Find the trigonometric functions or ratio for 150 degree. Now solutions. Sine 150 degree, cos 150 degree, tan 150 degree, cot 150 degree, sec 150 degree, cos 150 degree. We can write sine 90 plus 60 cos 90 plus 60 tan 90 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 and plus 60. We know that this is the 90 plus formula, so it will change its own pair. Sine pair is the cos, and sine and cosec will be positive, remaining will be negative. So cos will be negative, tan will be negative, cot will be negative, sec will be negative, cosec will be positive, and sine will be positive. And sine will change its own pair. Sine pair is the cos 60 degree. Cos 90 plus 60, cos will change its own pair in sine 60 degree. Tan will change cot 60 degree, cot tan 60 degree. Tan will change its own pair cot will change its own pair tan. tan अपने जोड़े में, cot अपने पेयर के साथ में, sec अपने पेयर, sec का पेयर होता है cosec 60 डिग्री, cosec का पेयर होता है sec, तो sec 60 डिग्री. We know 60 degree value is cos 60 degree value is the 1/2. Sin 60 degree value is equal to minus root 3/2. Cot 60 degree value is equal to minus 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. Tan 60 degree value is equal to root 3. Cosec 60 degree value is equal to 2/√3. Sin 60 degree value is 60 degree is equal to 2. You can check from your book answer sheet 2.1 question number 1. I'll show. मैं शो करता हूँ आंसर शीट में 2.1 में आप इधर देख सकते हो. साइन 150 डिग्री वैल्यू, कॉस 150, tan 150, कॉसेक सबकी वैल्यू इधर दी हुई है. Here is the 150 degree, sines, cos, tan, cot. If you check sine 150 degree will equal to 1/2, and here we have also find the value of sine 60 degree equal to 1/2. 1/2. Sine cos 135 degree will equal to, sorry, cos 150 root 3 by 2, cos 150 minus root 3 by 2. Then tan 150 degree value is equal to minus 1 upon root 3, tan 152 minus 1 upon root 3. Cosec 150 degree value is equal to 2, cosec 1 is equal to 2. And now sec 150 degree value is equal to 2 by root 3, sec minus 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3. Now the cot 150 degree value is equal to root 3, cot 50 minus root 3, cot 150 degree value is equal to minus root 3. So here is the clear. Now we will proceed for the next lectures.